Friends, we are celebrating World Soil Day today. Why it is so important that throughout the globe people celebrate it. In an agriculture-based society like India, we consider soil as a sacred because soil are a crucial element to food security and nutrition. It is estimated that 95% of our food is directly or indirectly produced on our soils. Healthy soils are the foundation of the food systems and basic of agriculture. A healthy soil is a living soil with a dynamic ecosystem, and a healthy soil produces healthy crop which nourish people and animals. Soil quality is directly linked to food quantity and quality. The COVID-19 pandemic has reinforced the demand for safe food by consumers. When food is right, medicine is of need. When food is wrong, medicine of no use. And right food comes from crops grown on a healthy soil in a clean environment. Can this be an opportunity for pushing sustainable farm practices? Over the last 50 years, advances in agriculture technology and increased demand due to a growing population have put our soil under pressure, increasing pressure. Intensive crop production has depleted the soil, jeopardizing the soil's productive capacity and ability to meet the need of future generations. When the soil is exploited for crop production without restoring the organic matters and nutrient contents, the nutrient cycles are broken, soil fertility declines, and the balance in the agro ecosystem is destroyed. With a global population that is projected to exceed 9 billion by 2050, compounded by competition for land and water resources, and the impact of climate change on our current and food security hinges on our ability to increase yields and food quality using the soils that are already under production today. Do you know land misuse and soil mismanagement adversely affect soil health and undermine ecosystem services? Extra active farming practices such as in-field burning of crop residues, removal of crop residues, excessive tillage, flood-based irrigation, and indiscriminate use of chemical degrade soil health. Soil organic matter contained in most cropland soils of western India and elsewhere is often less than 0.5%. This leads to low and stagnating crop yields. Soil erosion by water, wind remove soil organic matter and lead to emission of carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide and into the atmosphere. The fact is that rice straw is a resource that can be used to generate renewable energy, and if straw is plugged back into the soil, it will sequester organic carbon content in the soil, increasing its fertility and also storing carbon. Most importantly, not burning straw will reduce back carbon emissions, bring quick climate benefits. Adoption and erosion control and better agriculture practices can remove carbon dioxide, methane from the atmosphere. Rice farmers in Punjab and Haryana can be big player in climate change story. Sustainable management of soil and agriculture are a solution to global warming. India is signatory to achieving land degradation neutrality by 2030. Adopting sustainable agriculture practices can help India meet its commitments. Maintaining a healthy soil implies managing the land sustainably and being part of a wider green societal transitions.